Wonderful morning, my dear student. In the last class, we have discussed about first lesson. It was who did Patrick's homework. It was a very interesting story. Belongs to who is a class 6th student about his laziness, about how he became extraordinary. We thought those who are maybe some of the student mind, they will think like that, those who are sitting last bench, we should not consider like that. Those who are sitting last bench, they are weak in the study. As per Patrick also, actually he was a very laziest person, laziest boy, laziest student, one of the student. Totally he was not interested in the study. And about we have discussed that first lesson about himself, about his laziness, and also we have conducted a sleep test on that, and also we have conducted a monthly test also. Now we have to discuss about second poem. It is the poem name is A House, A Home by Lorian M. Halley. By Lorian M. Halley. It belongs to the poem. According to the poet, he describes the poet as per a house, a home. What is the theme of the poem, you know? What is the difference between a house, a home? According to the poet, he discussed about and he gives lots of difference, a house, a home. In this poem, the author narrates the difference between the house and home. He described that with full of noun. How he described what is a home, what is a house. He described that home is made with the living beings likely. Home is a, we have to discuss about a poem now, my dear student. I feel you people may open the textbook while explaining or while engaging the classes, language classes. You have to enjoy language class, and also first of all you should maintain a reader. Without reader, you people are facing the understand the whatever theme of the poem, or it may be a lesson. My dear student, we have to discuss, come to the topic. A house, a home. What is the difference between a house and a home? Put the question mark. Just keep a question mark in your mind. What is the difference between a house, a home? According to the poet, what is the difference between a house and a home? Discuss it with your partner. Then read the poem. We have to discuss with your partner. How? The difference between a house and a home is described in the poem. A house, a home is written by Lorian M. Halley. In this poem, the author narrates the difference between the house and a home. He described that He described that house is made up with full of non-living things such as stone, sand, bricks, cement, glass, and wood. It is only a building that people can live, but it does not carry no feelings, emotions, and understanding with others. It just only what narrates you says like that a house, what is a house? It's bricks and sand and wood that is all some windows, glass, and perhaps a had it is house and chimneys and tile floors and stock and roof and lots of doors. According to the poet, it is not possible to carry, it is only non-carryable. It means he described that home is made up of these things. How house is like that? What is a home? It is all loving and family and doing for others. It's brothers and sisters and fathers and mothers. It is unselfish acts and kindly sharing and showing your love once you are always caring. How author feels, house is only made up of this cement, glass and decoration, this, that, furniture, whatever it may be. But we are not showing the love and love and caring, love and affection. It is not possible to each other. That's why author says like that. A house, a home is a lots of difference. How you feel, Home is like that. In a home, we have a blood relationship. According to the poet, we have a blood relationship like that. How we have blood relation? There will be brother, sister, father, mother, and family members, grandmother, grandfather. Some it is a joy. If you are staying in a joint family, you may feel happy. I think, according to me, nowadays we are not getting a joint family in our Indian culture. Maybe our Indian culture also become like a foreigners country. Nowadays, totally how the people become, they are not concentrated in the family. Always they are not giving respect to each other. They are not giving any respect of blood relationship. The author said like that, a house, a home is a lots of difference. House is only made up of these non-living things. These are the cement, glass, furniture, woods, this, that, whatever you can make a beautiful, you can build up the beautiful house. But in that house, we can't get any of the love and affection. As per a home, we can get all the blood relationship, and also we can get any other love and affection, brother, sister, grandmother, grandfather, father, mother, all the blood relationship, and we can enjoy with a home. My dear student, only this is the difference between house and home. My dear student, you have to feel, if you are staying in a joint family and you are staying in a single family, lots of difference. If you feel in a joint family, it will be looking like a unity. We can say unity is a strength. Like that, if you are staying in a joint family, you feel very happy, and also you will get caring and love and affection from your elders. If you are younger from your elders, they will care of you people, they will care of everything. In the festival time also, you people will enjoy a lot in a joint family. In a single family, it is difficult to enjoy, my dear student. This is the difference between house and a home. Thank you, on and all. Shall we wind up now?